take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna
Hey friends, I know sugar isn't exactly a healthy food, but it's also not the evil poison that it sometimes makes out to be. It's perfectly fine to have a little bit, so go ahead and enjoy the occasional sweet treat, and just exercise more to burn it off. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.